During Tesla's annual shareholder event, certain intriguing footage of the Cybertruck was shown. A video clip of the Cybertruck making its rounds in the Gigafactory in Texas was shown. The video got plenty hooked onto it, with many still talking about this clip. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In our video today, we shall be taking a look at some new updates on the Tesla Cybertruck, as well as some information about what Tesla's video of the Cybertruck was all about. So in this video, the Cybertruck was the main focus. It was seen being driven within the walls of the Gigafactory, as well as on the terrain out of its premises. It was also seen splashing in deep muddy puddles, showcasing that it truly can be enjoyed in any terrain. In the clip, it was also seen pulling another pickup truck, functioning sort of like a tow truck. This showcased that the truck truly has quite a lot of strength. Moreover, it has been stated that the Cybertruck that's available with the all-wheel drive feature has the potential of towing up to 14,000 pounds. Overall, the video was the perfect tease for Tesla fans, making them want to see the Cybertruck hit the roads all the more sooner. Tesla has been leading in the automobile industry and is said to be the leader of the industry in just a few years. The latest and most exciting news from Tesla as of now is the release of their Cybertruck. As per sources, the Cybertruck is ready to go on sale sometime next year after a long wait and many cancelled release dates. The Cybertruck is a pickup truck that comes with quite a unique design with its sharp and angular edges and dust and scratch-resistant surface. The exoskeleton of the vehicle comes with a stainless steel finish, giving the vehicle a tough look. The EV industry is quite competitive at the moment, as there have been quite a few players who have joined the game. Some of these competitors of the Cybertruck inside the Ford F-150 Lightning, Rivian R1T, and GMC Hummer EV. Ram is expected to come out with their own EV truck by next year, while Chevy is also planning on coming out with an electric Silverado. The Cybertruck looks like a vehicle straight from the feature or science fiction movie, making everyone believe that its price is probably worth millions. But that's not true, as the Cybertruck is quite cheap in price for the features that it offers, and it comes with a starting price of $39,900, which is for the single-motor variant of the Cybertruck. The dual-motor and tri-motor variants of the Cybertruck come at a price of $49,900 and $69,900 respectively. As we mentioned earlier, the Cybertruck comes in three variants, the differentiating factor between them being the type of motor that they use. The single-motor Cybertruck comes with a rear-wheel drive, while the 2- and 3-motor Cybertrucks come with an all-wheel drive feature. As for the speeds at which the Cybertruck can travel, Tesla has said that the Cybertruck can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds, and a top speed of 110 miles per hour in the case of the single-motor variant. As for the dual-motor variant, it is reported to reach 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds with a top speed of 120 miles per hour. And for the 3-motor variant, the Cybertruck can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds with a top speed of 130 miles per hour. One common trait of all these variants is that they come with an adjustable air suspension that provides up to 16 inches of ground clearance. In addition to this, a 35-degree approach and 28-degree departure angles are also features of this pickup, making it quite a tough beast on wheels. As for Cybertruck's towing, the single and dual motor Cybertrucks have a maximum tow rating of 7,500 pounds and 10,000 pounds respectively, while the 3-motor Cybertruck will be able to tow 14,000 pounds as we mentioned earlier. As for its payload capacity, all Cybertrucks can haul 3,500 pounds in their 6.5-foot cargo bed. The batteries that are used in the vehicle are quite strong in terms of the power that they generated. However, Tesla never really revealed the size of these batteries, but to charge the car, a 250 kilowatt charging cable would aid in the process, which would be connected to the grid of superchargers. As for the driving range that the Cybertruck comes with, Tesla claims that the single-motor variant has a range of 250 plus miles. On the other hand, the dual motors come with 300 plus miles of range. Lastly, the 3-motor variant provides a range of more than 500 miles in a single charge. Tesla Model 3 was quite a hit, and with the minimalist interiors that it came with, the fans were all the more impressed. But the Cybertruck is quite huge and spacious on the inside and can be compared to a cabin on wheels. Speaking of the interiors of the Cybertruck, it is said to come with a slab-like dashboard that comes with a large touchscreen from which various operations can be controlled. In addition to this, the square steering wheel is rumored to come with an illuminated display. As for its seating capacity, the vehicle is said to accommodate 6 people quite comfortably. Furthermore, its 6.4-foot cargo bed is said to hold the potential of accommodating around 100 cubic feet of volume. Furthermore, the Tesla Cybertruck comes with a chic slide-out tailgate that can also be used as a ramp to load four-wheelers and motorcycles. This would come in handy when one goes off-road often or happens to travel long distances. The infotainment system that comes with the Tesla cars has been something that the fans have loved ever since it was introduced. The Cybertruck will also be housing an infotainment system, although we still have a lot to learn about the tech and other features that would be provided in this model of the pickup truck by Tesla. As of now, we all know is that it will come with a 17-inch touchscreen and would be placed horizontally in the middle of the dashboard of the Cybertruck. Apart from these marvelous features, the Cybertruck also comes with an Autopilot feature that comes with a full self-driving option. This option comes at a cost of $7,000. A driver assistance technology is also on the way, and this too could be a feature of the Cybertruck. Now let's take a quick look at the Cybertruck's warranty and maintenance costs. Though Tesla is known to provide a warranty with its vehicles, complimentary maintenance doesn't come along with the vehicle when buying it. As for the warranty, it covers the vehicle only for 4 years or 50,000 miles. The powertrain warranty of the Cybertruck covers 8 years, regardless of the amount of the number of miles driven. Another important update about this car is that it may come without door handles, making it quite a difference to those who have been using door handles for a long time. In addition to this, there may also be a roll bar that has been temporarily fitted into the Cybertruck so as to protect the development drivers while they work on the Cybertruck's stability and traction control systems. Though we have mentioned that it's temporary, this feature may become permanent so as to improve the roof crush strength due to the A-pillar's extreme weight. The overall look of the Cybertruck is quite futuristic, right from the sharp and angular body structure to the tinted glass in the vehicle. But quite recently, it has been stated that the tires of the vehicle have undergone some modifications. According to the blueprint images and the prototypes that have been released, the Cybertruck came with huge tires, but now the tires look a little less futuristic and advanced and look quite similar to what you would find on any other pickup truck. These new tires are said to be built by Goodyear, and they're just perfect for the build that the Cybertruck comes with. We're also expecting to see a yoke steering wheel in the Cybertruck, which would be quite a new touch to the vehicle. As for the windshield of the vehicle, it is said to be a single blade in this vehicle that's quite unique in its appearance. What are your thoughts on the video clip of the Cybertruck? Do you think it's just another marketing strategy? Or do you think it's just a hint to those who have pre-ordered it that it would be hitting the market soon? Also, have you pre-ordered your Cybertruck yet? Do bless the comment section with your thoughts. With that, we come to the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed our video, and please do support our channel by hitting the subscribe button. While you're at it, do smash the bell icon and drop your valuable comments in the comments section below. See you soon!